Uptown. Prime location? Check. Uptown is a home to high-end malls, corporate hubs, and international schools. Lahat nandito na. World-class developments? Check. May mga ongoing and upcoming developments in the area, like SkyTrain, Metro Manila Subway, and the less residential, the Uptown Modern. How about the rising property values? Check. Ang presyo ng kondo dito pataas ng pataas. Kung nakabili ka noon, congrats! Tumubo na ang investments mo. At kung hindi pa, today is the right time. To answer if it's still worth it? Absolutely. Investors are securing units now dahil alam nilang mabilis maubos ang best deals.